All right. So we are now saving everything to the database, and it's coming in rapid firely when we go ahead and upload images. The next thing to do will be, once we have an image, what we want to do is we want to make this page auto inference run the second that we get one, then automatically return the prediction, essentially leaving us with an open queue. So to do that, let's go to our database here, or our page here, and in the auto inference section, let's say, so the first thing we're going to do is, let's convert this component to mount. It's going to get initial images. Let's convert this to the anonymous function, async await. Let's await this, sync, and await that. Great. Now what we also want to do is this get initial images. We don't want to just get it once. What we actually want to do is we want to do on. This is going to create essentially a listener that's always on and listening to our database for whenever a new photo is added with viewed false. So the second one of these gets added, we should be seeing a new image here. So right now I have nothing in the database. It's null. Let's go to, so that's why it pops up nothing. If we upload a photo, and then we go wait for it, once it's uploaded, it should automatically, boom, get pushed to us here. So now we get pushed, and now we want the detect to automatically run. Let's get that working. So we get our initial images. Once we've got them, let's go ahead and start the process. The process goes down here and says, while we have something, do it. So what I'm actually going to do is alright, so in start process, let's go ahead and say sleep will be equal to milliseconds, and a new promise that will resolve to a set timeout. So this little sleep true will start us off, and then we'll say we don't want to do this anymore because if there's not one, we just want to wait. So what we'll say is, so what we'll do is we'll say if this is greater than 0, then we run it. Else while this dot state dot length equals 0, we will sleep. So what if I just did that? What if I did a while realistically, we just want to do while true, because we always want to be checking. While true. That's all we want to know. While true, if it's that, remove the boxes and await, otherwise, await that. Let's try that out. Localhost, inference, oh, bam, look at that. And is it running it though? It did run it automatically. Great. And now it should be sleeping. Let's add in I'm not crazy. No image. No image is sleeping for 3 seconds. And there we go. So now every 3 seconds, our database is checking. And if we, just want to make sure we're still recording. Great. If we go ahead and we go localhost demo upload. Let's upload 3 images. Eventually, we should start seeing them get pulled in. Well, boom. And once it's done sleeping, it should detect, detect, detect. And now it's going back to sleep. So, pretty awesome. We can go ahead and look our storage database. Yeah, here's our inferenced images, and they keep coming in. We have a real-time database and that. So that's an easy way to kick off inference using machine learning and have it automatically running. So all you have to do is leave this open and it will just continue to look. You could have the time double. You could set up other variables. I'm just showing you a simple example. And that's it.